Today is Sunday. It's a special video day. Thanks so much for tuning in to this video on Bitcoin dominance and what that might mean to our altcoin holdings. I wanted to record it this way so that I have the access to show a graphical image of the colors of where our bull market is right now. You can't see which coins this lines up to specifically, but you get an idea. We're going through the D's, the E's, the F's, the G's, the L, M, N, P's, here's the Q's, S's, there's the T's, V's, X's, and then the tallies at the end. And what this color scan gives us is an idea of how many coins are in full hold status. But I'm going to go back. I want you to keep an eye out now for another specific type of trade setup right now. Is one that's gone from full hold status to a partial exit. This is when the 4-hour EMA has crossed over, when we see the blue cold fish. So this coin, the 4-hour EMA has already just crossed right now. Here's another one that it crossed the other day, and it's into a partial hold status now for Uni. Torn also crossed as a partial exit. It is on a partial hold right now. TUM has crossed, TLM has crossed as a full exit. So when we go across and we see the blue cold fish followed by a partial hold, we know that that market is easing off already. ONT is another one that's easing off here. And if we go through, we can see there's another couple that are easing off at the very same time. Another one over here that is easing off, that the 4-hour EMA has already crossed. Here's one that the 4-hour EMA crossed, went to a partial hold, and then the 12-hour EMA exit crossed. So it's saying to get out of this coin entirely. And I just want to reflect on the bottom formation right now in Bitcoin dominance. We're always looking for the 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, the exponential moving average crossover as our trading entry for a bottom formation for an altcoin. But it works the same for a bottom formation in any different coin or market or thing that you're plotting. What's remarkable about this is how Bitcoin prices have gone up while Bitcoin dominance has shifted and dropped off so sharply. And then it's making a bottom formation right here. And so what this means is if Bitcoin dominance crosses out of this bottom formation and it starts to go higher out of this 1, 2, 3 bottom, the 4-hour EMA crosses, we can expect to see across all of our color-coded markets here, many more markets going from full hold to partial hold as that happens in Bitcoin dominance. And we'll see a lot of them also going to a full exit where the 12-hour EMA has crossed. Those are the weakest coins that are already crossing and exiting and closing down as Bitcoin dominance is changing direction. So we're already seeing the first hints of it in our spreadsheet, and we don't have to, if we've diversified far enough in this, we don't have to be personal about any one of these coins or any one of these projects. It's just the momentum of the entire market that we're trading against the price of Bitcoin. So all this means is that we're going to sell our altcoin holding in that coin back to Bitcoin, and we'll be holding on to our Bitcoin as Bitcoin rallies and Bitcoin dominance rises. As Bitcoin dominance rises, that means we'll have Bitcoin available for purchasing even more of those altcoins a little bit later as they finish out a new bottom formation and turn around so that their EMAs are crossing and going positive. But if they're topping out from a big long hold status here, and we have in our, we have a lot of trades at like 131%, 106%. These were 150 before, and now they're down a bit from the one. So they're making all these coins that are a nice profit may now be making top formations, and it'll be time to be taking this profit and putting it back into Bitcoin and getting ready for when these coins pull back a little bit as Bitcoin dominance rises and we'll be ready to get back into these coins. So we'll have to evaluate each of these coins to see if we're going to move our stop losses up to grab profit right now, or we're just going to exit because the 4-hour EMA is exiting, and we're considering closing half of that trade and then closing the other half when the 12-hour EMA exits. And that's it. I better get this video produced and published because the changes are happening right now. Thanks so much for tuning in to this video on Bitcoin dominance and what that might mean to our altcoin holdings. If you're interested in the trading method I talk about in this video, be sure to go over to the website IntroToCryptos.ca, scroll down a little and put your email address in. It'll start you on the process to get access to our trading methods that we use and teach and we follow along with our bull market watch and our pro alerts. You can also click on the Discord link down below and join us on our community. Be sure to verify and then come and say hello in our general chat to get connected with us. Great to have you along. We'll see you on the next video.